ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Shibanta bankinma Burom ye ka National Voluntary Blood Donors Day. Ka Jowai Blood Bank kalapun ko Burom ye ki Nongai Snam ngobha bat kumju ki kinhon ki bajuwan shakmat ban senyang ngobha ye ka Snam. Ye ka jingelang pen ko Burom la penlong ha conference hall ka Blood Bank Jowai ha ka khatlai trik upna risau arajar arpuai halor ka phang give blood and keep the world beating. Ka Dr. R. Porman Superintendent jong ka Jowai Civil Hospital kalalong kum kongsan.
With your act of kindness and with your generosity, we could save so many people, especially the pregnant women. I can tell you that we have saved so many. There are women, you know, when women during pregnancy, they started bleeding, they started like that. So they need blood. When we say they need blood, only blood can save the person. The doctors cannot do anything else. If the patient says, I need 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units of blood, and means those 3 units or 2 units, if they don't get it, if the patient does not get it, then she may die. So, but with your help, with your kindness, your generosity, we could save these women. So this blood bank has saved so many women. We have saved so many children, fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers. All it happened because of your generosity. To carry on with what you have done, we have been doing all to help us and support us so that we can give safe blood to all our patients. Because safe blood comes only from the voluntary blood donors. Because through when we have voluntary blood donors, before we take the blood, we do the screening, we do the testing. So in that way, the blood is safe. So I seek your cooperation as you have been doing all the time. So continue with what you have done so that we can save many more people, many more lives.